Alright, YouTube land, we're back with another video. Today we've got a complete system that we're going to demo here for a customer who wishes to remain anonymous. We've got a custom built Cobra 29. The radio is tuned spectrally pure. It's not a hack radio. It's got variable power on the SWR cow. No swing kit. It maintains, you set it at 1 watt, it swings 4 watts. You set it at 7 watts, it swings, about 28, 29 watts PP. We'll show that real quick. Well, first we're going to 50 watt slug, that all the way up. Make sure all the amps are off. Okay, variable's all the way up. Almost 7 watt dead key. Hello, 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. About 27 watts or so. Okay, so now we'll put a 500 watt slug in. Now, for you guys that are just watching and you guys don't know the way we do things, we don't believe in running things wide open. We don't believe in hack mods. We don't believe in 8 pills that swing 2,000 watts plus. We believe in running things conservative. We believe in building a system that a guy can stay out all day long as he wants to. Out there in DX land, because the way we set things up is we try to maintain under 200 watts per transistor PEP, which is actually in my book redlining anyway. 200 watts out of a transistor that's and I believe HG's rating these at 120 watts transistors, but 200 watts PEP is redlining them anyway. So at 200 watts, that would be 1600 watts PEP power. Okay. So we set up everything to run, not in the red line. So what we've got here, this is basically one of our high drive comp 2 pills with a variable on the back. So we put this radio in it that's going to swing about 10 watts into it from about a 2 watt dead key into this box. This box is going to produce about 150 watts PEP power. About 150 watts or so. So that's what we're going to do. We want to put about 150 watts into this 8 pill. Now, the 8 pill, alright, first let's start here. The 2 pill has 2 Toshiba 2879s. The 8 pill has 8 hg2879s, straight 8 pill. Okay? Both these amps are in Class C. They're set up for AM Class C. Okay? So we'll show the 2 pill. Hello. That's a little hotter than what we want to run. Of course, we're under voice, not a tone right now. I should have set up under a tone. Hello. That's about 170 watts. We're going to turn it down a little bit more. Now, the radio not having a swing kit, the more you turn it down, the less it does. See? And typically what this box is going to do is about 10 times what's put in it. So you put 150 watts in, you're going to see about 1500 watts out. You put 170 watts in, you'll see 1700 watts out. You put 200 watts or a little better in, you're going to see close to the 2 kW PEP out. Not saying that it won't do it. I'm just saying we don't recommend running like that. That's redlining a transistor. Also, today we're on 14.3 volts, so that's what we're running at. So, hello. We got that turned down to about 140, 150 watts. So, we're going to inch this up just a touch. I mean, just a touch. I guess we better check and see what we've done. Should have pulled that out. Get back in there. And now we got bird meter malfunctions. Alright, there we go. That's in. Hello. Close enough. We're just going to go with that. So, that's why I should be using a tone. That's why a voice on a bird is really not good. It's not really an accurate reading. You change your tones, you can make that bird meter do whatever you want. That's why I just do steady hello, or I do an audio. I don't do any weird tones with my voice and try to fool you guys into making things that think things are doing more than what they're doing, because we definitely don't want that. So 2500 watt slug. We got everything on. Hello. So basically, hello. about 1600 watts PEP is what we're showing right there. And if you looked, if you remember when we had the 500 watt slug in just then, you can rewind it, it was about 160 watts in. It's putting us about 1600 watts PEP out. Hello. Like I say, oh, I got a squeal, but we're running that from about a 400 watt dead key is what we're running. Hello. So, like I say, about 1650 out is what we're running PEP power. It is the 1x10 rule. Now, like I say, this is built conservative. You turn this variable down a little bit on the radio. Hello. And it drops your output. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're down to 1250. That's because where I've got this variable, I guarantee I put the 500 watt slug in. Now the 2-pill's only doing about 120 watts. So it just depends on where you set your variable on what you're going to do. That's about where I would run it if it was mine, because there's really no difference between 1200 watts PEP and 2000 watts PEP. You have to double your power 2 times to make 1 S unit. So it really doesn't make any, you know, yes, will this box, can you drive the piss out of it with a hacked radio? Will it show 2300 watts peak power? Yes, it will. Do I advise running it there? No, I don't. So anyway, I mean, you can do whatever you want. This 8-pill is basically the same design as my Comp 8 that we've, you know, been building for 20 years, except for it's got HGs. That original design was built around Toshiba's, but the funny thing about it, when I decided to try it with HGs, the HGs actually worked out better, and not sure what's going on there, but they matched up great with this. So anyway, that sums up this video on the complete system we have. And to the customer, I hope, I'm glad for your patience. Thank you for your patience and waiting for this, and we hope you enjoy it. And that's your complete system. So we're going to get this thing ready to be headed your way, and we're going to keep rocking on. We've got a few more that we're behind on that we're going to get knocked out. We've got a few radios that people are waiting on, you know, several radios, alignments and stuff. And so y'all stay tuned. Got a lot of things coming up. Y'all be safe, be careful, be kind. Who let the dogs out? I'm gone.